So yesterday, I picked up the phone and I spoke with a fantastic prospect. And we were talking, and again, the energy, like I don't have the energy of, oh yeah, I'm bothering him. So I changed my energy. Oh, I'm this fantastic elite recruiter. I can make this call. And I think it comes across in a call. What? Oh yeah, you're excited about this. And I said, wow, she just gave you notice. That's awesome. That's a good problem to have. I'm sorry for you, but I can help you fill this position so there's no gap. And so he liked my energy, and I pitched the highest fee ever. I said, I'm going to just pitch the highest fee. So in terms of percentage, this is the highest I have ever seen. In terms of the money for the job, for the position, it's the highest that I have ever seen. So you guys all know how to do math, right? Higher percentage, higher. And I'm like, oh my God, what if this works? What if this works? And I said, but you know what? It's a mindset shift. It's gonna work, it's gonna work. So today before my call, I received the signed agreement with the job orders. And I started crying because you have no idea that for a very long time, I felt like I could not do it. I could not sell. I could not ask for higher fees. No one would give me higher fees. And so this is it. I'm gonna now just source and work on that order.